OpenAI has done it again. ChatGPT is putting the entire internet on fire. Twitter is flooded with just one simple feature they added in, and they improved upon something that already existed, and that is the image generating system that ChatGPT has. Now, there's going to be some crazy stuff, and I'm pretty sure you already saw at least one picture generated by AI when you might have not thought that it was generated by AI. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be uncovering 5 different features of what they changed and how the current imaginary system is better than the previous one. Let's get into it. So here on my screen, as you can see, we've got 5 new capabilities and examples. We're going to be going through this one by one, testing it live so you can see exactly how it works. So let's go into the first feature. So it now produces super detailed and realistic images. It's way better quality than before. Let's try it out in real time. So here I've got a prompt to get a photorealistic portrait of an elderly woman smiling in a sunlit garden. So go to GPT here. Here we're going to click on Tools, click on Create Image, and here paste our prompt. This is gonna make sure that we actually come up with an image, and it's gonna generate it right now. While it's generating, I want to emphasize that even OpenAI has stated that their GPUs are now on fire because of this feature, because everybody is using it, and as you're gonna see, it takes a lot of time to generate even one image. In this new form, it takes, I would say, 1 to 3 minutes to generate an image, as before it was about 20 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. So we are in a stage right now where, of course, the quality is way better, but the actual image takes way longer to generate. So as you can see, it's as the old websites, or when the internet was completely a new thing, generating from top to bottom, and we're gonna see the quality of it in a bit. Here you go. As you could see, very photorealistic quality. Even if I zoom in, the quality is still amazing. Even the hair, all the little details are accounted for, as you can see. Very, very interesting stuff. Let's go on to the next feature. So, now it is way smarter at generating multiple objects, and also it accurately renders signs, labels, and text. So it is way better at generating text than the previous models. Let's try this with this prompt right here. We're going to draw a coffee shop interior, 10 customers, every single customer is doing something different, with a menu board that reads latte $4.50. So let's get a new project, new tab right here. Of course, don't forget to create image here, and let's get it. So here's the image it came up with. Now, as you could probably see right here, we've got 3, 6, 7, 10 customers over here, and 2 that maybe I have not purchased yet or finished. And here, which is really interesting, the text is very much accurate and very nice looking. Latte for $50. If you had any experience doing images with text before, you would know that it didn't really come up like this. Any other models on the market really have either the AI comes up with imaginary, just hallucinates some letters, or puts accents where it shouldn't, or it's just all blurry. So it's way better at generating those kind of complicated things now. So let's get into the next feature. Here we've got third feature, image editing and in-painting. So here we can upload an image and ask it for changes, remove, add, or alter objects. So for this, I'm gonna take one of my previous YouTube thumbnails and copy it, paste it to ChatGPT, and ask it for the changes I have outlined right here. You're gonna see something really, really spectacular. So I'm gonna make a new conversation, copy this right here, the image. There we go. Don't forget to create image over here. and take this prompt. So we're going to replace the background with a mountain landscape and add a snowboard in the person's hand. So very far off from the original design you can see right here. And we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, so it just came out with the actual image. As you can see, it kind of overshoot with the arrow. It still kept the original design over here. But there's me in a mountain range, snowy mountain range, with a snowboard in my hand. So it transformed this into this with a simple prompt. That's pretty impressive. Okay, let's go to the next feature. So we're gonna take this image and make it nighttime. The fourth feature is multi-turn image refinement. So we can keep improving on the image we have that ChatGPT gave us step by step. So we're gonna ask it, make it nighttime, let's say with a full moon. Okay, so as you can see, it's not perfect just yet. Here, from this image, right, we got this image. As you can see, there's two arrows, which is not what we wanted. And somehow I have two arms now. While holding a snowboard, one holding my face. So that's not convenient, is it? Although it changed the background to night with a full moon as requested. It also changed the text for it to be visible with the correct background, but it has made some mistakes. So let me ask it to change it and see what comes up with. So you can ask it exactly to remove one arrow, remove the arrow at the bottom, and uh, make me make man touch his face with only one hand, the other holding the snowboard. So now it should come with the actual genuine picture we're looking for. Now, that's the good part about GPT generation system now. It's if it makes mistakes, like for example from here to here, you can then adjust it and remove certain parts and add certain parts to make it the way we want it. Go. This is way better, as you could see. From this to this. Now, it completely removed the arrow, but that is fine. At least we have one hand, at least, instead of two, and one multiplied. There's me holding the actual snowboard, and yeah, it kind of changed my hairstyle a little bit and added me a bit of a beard, as you could see from this, like from this image to this. But that is fine. It looks really good. So let's test the fifth and final feature of the new ChatGPT image creation system, and that is style transfer and visual context. So we can transform it into any visual style we want. Now we can try to turn this, for example, into a comic book cover with a heroic vibe. We could keep it same style, but I'm thinking let's turn it, for example, into Naruto style. For example, you can do anything you want, really. I'm gonna see for the result. In my opinion, it's gonna look pretty great. Here is what it created. So it took Naruto, right, the actual character, put a snowball in there, it's still there. It removed the "Don't be this guy" and the uh, background to something different, probably because of the heroic vibe. And but he's still touching his face. There's still a snowboard, so at least there's that. But either way, this is pretty cool images, right? Generated fully by AI. Again, the quality of it is solid. It's really good. So there you go. That's all the new features of ChatGPT's new image generating system. Of course, I invite you to try it for yourself. For the free version, you'll be able to generate a couple images for free. Then we need to go on the Plus subscription. $20 a month to use it all the time. Now, that being said, if you found value in this video, don't hesitate to comment, to leave a like, and to subscribe. Of course, comment what kind of things in mostly business cases would you think this would apply to. I'm thinking you could create ads, you could create content fully with AI now, especially in the next few months when this software gets better, gets quicker. This is when we're gonna really see it in action. Right then, that'll be about it. Again, my name is Christian Jacob from Context Solutions, and we'll see each other in the next video.